The Keychron C1 Pro C2 Pro appears to be part of Keychron's keyboard lineup, but based on the provided information, the detailed specifications, features, and differences between the two variants are not included. Because of that, the most useful way to understand this product is to focus on what it represents as a category and what buyers should pay attention to when considering it. With keyboards like these, the real value usually comes down to how well they support everyday typing, productivity, and long-term comfort. Even without confirmed details such as layout type, switch configuration, or connectivity options, the naming suggests that Keychron is offering multiple versions within the same series, likely aimed at users with different size or layout preferences. However, those specifics are not stated here, so any exact comparison between the C1 Pro and C2 Pro cannot be reliably made. For a product in this category, potential buyers typically want to consider factors such as typing feel, key stability, and overall build quality. The way a keyboard is designed can have a noticeable impact on long writing sessions, coding, or office work, so these are often the deciding elements rather than visual design alone. Compatibility across different operating systems and ease of setup are also commonly important, especially for users switching between devices. Another key aspect in keyboards like this is layout choice. Some users prefer more compact designs to save desk space, while others prioritize a full set of keys for efficiency. Since the exact layout details of the C1 Pro and C2 Pro are not provided, it's important for buyers to verify this before making a decision, as it can significantly affect daily usability. Overall, the Keychron C1 Pro C2 Pro should be viewed as a configurable or variant-based keyboard, offering where the final experience depends heavily on the specific model configuration. Without confirmed specifications, the best approach is to evaluate it based on personal needs such as typing comfort, desk setup, and intended use rather than expecting a predefined set of features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.